Hey, hello everyone. So a small request from one of our Patreon. By the way, if you want to have more information or anything, you can join the Discord. Um, so here, the request is how to change the zombie 3D model. So really simple. First of all, in UMSP, you go to Blueprint, AI, and in AI, you will have the zombie here, you see? So if you go to AI base zombie, you will have the code for all the damage and the animation and everything, but not for the 3D model. So if you want to go to change the 3D model, you need to select the example. In UMSP, you got the BP and me zombie, the basic one. So you double click on it. You go to event graph. First of all, you will see that you got some selected here, select list. This is where you are going to change the 3D model. So what you want to do is you take your new 3D model that you want to use. For myself, I will only use the 3D model of the woman. So the woman got some zombies model too. So if I go to the woman, if I can find it somewhere. The woman model. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here. Model female. So you can add it to your project. Oh yeah, it's on the fab stuff. So you can add it to your project when you have it, or your character, anything. And you will press to, for me is in French, but it's called add to project. Here, add to project. So you add it to your project. It will be on your computer in your project, sorry. So after that, you go for myself in character, and I will go to zombie. So you see all the model are here. So you need to find the skeleton that is used in UMSP. So let's go back to UMSP, go back to Blueprint, AI, and then go to zombie and me. But for me is already open, so I just press the little magnet, right click on it, skeleton, and oh, my Unreal is fine. Okay, give me a sec, I need to reload it. Okay, so I reboot my Unreal. So right click on the character zombie. So right click on it, skeleton, find skeleton, and you see that is for me is the this one here. It's not the same as you because I changed the name for myself. So what you're gonna do now is you go back to your zombie that you want to add to the game. You right click the zombie, skeleton, async skeleton, and you search for the skeleton that you want to use. Or, well, you change the skeleton of UMSP for the skeleton that you use right now on your zombie. So, yep. So now I use the skeleton for this one, for the skeleton of UMSP on this one, and I want all the others. So right click, you can select more than one. Assign skeleton, assign skeleton. Here we go. Control Shift S. Save. Control Shift S. Good. Now you go back to your zombie in the AI and the PP and me zombie. If already open, that's cool. You go back to event graph, and event graph where is selected, you need to put the good one with the good one here in the bottom, you see? So both will be the same. So if I go back to my zombie here, oh, sorry. zombie, and I click this one. I need to have this one here, here, and here. You see? And if I want to add another, I can put it here and here too. So it will be a different mesh for the zombie. You can change the number of mesh that you want from 0 to 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 0 is one of them. So yeah, so actually after that you can use this 5 here and this 5 here. So just don't forget to 0 is the same as the other 0. And yeah, for the blueprint, the animation blueprint here, the animation are all here. So if you want to change some, you can open the ABP zombie. And you see this is the locomotion of the zombie. So right click it and you can press open asset. So you will have all the animation of the zombie. If you press Ctrl, you can move the little X to see all the animation of the zombie. If you get different animation, what you can do is click on this little label. You see the name of the animation. You can just delete this one, example, zombie run, and put your animation in it like this, drag and drop, and move it here. The thing is, you need to replace the skeleton of your animation for the skeleton that is used in UMSP. So that's it. So when you do this, sorry, you can browse to asset, right click, replace skeleton, and you can choose your skeleton. You see, like this. And if I open the animation, it's working. But now that you have done this, don't forget that you can copy this here, Control C, and if I go in another animation example, the walk slow, you can just paste it like that in your animation example and try to fit the feet with your animation. The feet sound, I mean. And because if you check it like this example, and I go to this one because you got the sound, you see. If you want to edit the sound, an example, the running, you see that if I check the feet here, all the feet footstep sound work with the feet down here. So if I want, I can move it like this and make it fit a little bit better, you know? So like, oh, okay, that's good. And this one here, oh, I can put it a little bit more like this here. So yeah, so that's it, guys. So I think you will be all set. So if I put example a zombie here, you will see it can be anything. The appearance of the zombie can be anything from this 5 here. So what you do is you go here, press play, and you test. So you see now is the black one, the female black one, I think, or the male black one. It's the female black one. So that's cool. And after that, you can remove the character. If you want it to move, because some of you maybe don't know how to do it, you need to go here in volume, have a nav mesh. So this is the zone where the zombie will be able to walk in. If I press P, you will see a little green stuff on the ground that show you the place where the character can move. If I put it a little more bigger, you see the zombie can move a little bit more in different place. So if I press play from here and I move inside it, he can move to me, you know. If I move to the zone here and I get out of the zone, he stops running. So this is how it's working. So if you put the zone more and more big and your character go in, you will see the zombie like running to him, but if I get out of the zone, the zombie stop. So that's it guys. Hope this help you, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.